We have completed our CRUD application. Now there are a few things that we need to do. Now if we click on Logout, and here we are being redirected to the home page. Here, instead of displaying the default content supplied by VueJS, we will replace it and display all the latest games uploaded by any user. Let's go to our home.vue file, and here first let's get rid of the default content. And now inside the home, let's add our template. So here in the template section, we have added a row, and inside that we will have columns. And inside the column, we will be rendering all our games, which we will place inside a card, where we will display the card image, title, and the text will contain other informations like developer, publisher, posted by. And here, in case of posted by, we have one custom attribute called author. And this author will fetch the user name by using the user ID from the games document. So here, in order to do all this, we need to import a few things from Firebase. So here inside the getGames method, we're going to fetch all the data from our database. And let's go to dashboard. The getGames method will be very similar. So let's copy all this from here and paste here. Now we will just get rid of this where. So we will get all the games available in the games collection. And then we are going to loop through all the data. Now, as I have mentioned earlier, that we are going to have a custom field called author. So in that case, let's fetch the author information by using another query. Here I am using the user ID supplied by the currently rendering document, and this author query now will have the username. So let's save this and give it a try. So here we are getting no games found, because right now we don't have any games in the database. So let's add some games first, and we will get back to the home page. I have added some games from my user account. However, if we log out and go to the home page, we will get no games found, just because we have not called getGames method. So let's get back to the editor and fix this. We have also used storage here, but we have not imported it from Firebase. Let's save this and get back. Now here we are getting one new error, and that is showing that the user does not have permission to access the uploaded file. We can fix this very quickly by visiting the storage from Firebase, and here in the rules section we need to add one new line. Allow read. Now publish this, and if we give it a refresh now, we are getting one new error which is saying that authorQuery.data is not a function. Let's get back to the editor and fix that. Here, change this const to let and save this. Now let's get, and here you can see all the games with the author name. Once we change the const to let, we are getting access to the author query and fetching the name successfully. So our application is ready to be hosted. In the next lesson, we will push this into a Git repository, and then we are going to deploy it to Netlify as well as with Vercel.